Hai, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Faiz bin Ismail, metric number 2019578885, and I am from HM2425A.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Shazila binti Azman. My metric numbers is 2019579657. I'm from HM2425A1.
Hi, my name is Nur Ali Hafiza binti Samit. My metric number is 2019359295 and I'm from HM2425A1.
Hi, my name is Nur Aida binti Bahrum. I'm from HM2425A1. My ID number 2019564127.
Hi, my name is Siti Nafazana binti Razak. Metric number is 2019579773.
So, our group is about the output of the system. How far can it determine the successful of the organization or business? So, our group will focus about what are the key elements that can make a restaurant business success and what the type of the leadership skills that can be used. The successful of the food service business depends of the owner, employees and manager. But running a restaurant is not easy to seems. Owner have to contribute most of the time in solving the daily issues, managing good taste, staff, accounts, inventory and many more.
Communicating clearly. Successful food service operators are clear and concise when giving direction and motivated their staff. They must give reason for why things should be done and constantly reinforce positive outcomes. Issues are taken immediately. Staff meetings are held weekly and pre-shift meetings are the norm. Staff input encourage, listen to and often implemented. For example, the manager can ask how their staff job and also can give the staff positive feedback like let them know they are doing a great job. So the leader must know how to communicate to achieve a communicating clearly around their staff.
Next is staff satisfaction. Behind every profitable well-run restaurant is an efficient and dedicated crew. A happy employee is a productive employee. If the employees are dissatisfied with the working conditions and compensation, the dissatisfaction is likely to be reflected in the work. People cannot dine in at a restaurant during the pandemic today. Takeaway service are highly being used by all food organizations. Most of the restaurants provide drive-through service and online food delivery. Employees must prepare meals in packs. As a result, staff must be efficient in order to finish the orders on time. Employees will be happy if the task carried out goes smoothly. As a result, a company must properly arrange and maintain the welfare of its personnel in order to keep them motivated to continue doing their tasks. Leaders have the chance to make every interaction matter when the leaders genuinely care about their employees and make an effort to convince it. It sends a powerful and positive message.
Okay, next is thinking creatively. To make a company successful, a leader should have autocratic leadership styles. This can make their own decision or can discuss with a small group to create a decisions making. Okay, according in the NITS Editorials Team 2021, therefore, a leader should have a creative thinking strategies. Leaders need to be more inclined to generate and apply new ideas and innovative ways to doing a new things, adapt to change smartly. However, creativity is essential to growing a restaurant further. According Guardian Food Service Contributors 2017, for example, the creative-minded autocratic leadership style add a new menu without consulting the chef first, which is a secret recipe is serving a delicious menu within 40 types of cake and more than 30 locals and international dishes. Secret Recipe is always striving to make a new food items every month. The company innovative business model has a transformed into very profitable and popular brands about. Okay, for the latest menu, Secret Recipe is a chicken meatballs with a smoky BBQ glaze and also the premium tiramisu cake according Yap 2019.
Other than that, one of the most overlooked aspects of restaurant management is the owner involvement. When there are several locations relying on the restaurant, manager becomes unavoidable. However, the owner must monitor all operations. Restaurant owners are now implementing smartphone analytics to keep track of their operation. To keep track of daily sale, overall footfall, and other metrics, owners don't have to be physically present at restaurant. It's meant to encourage people to think positively. It's important for leadership to create a positive culture and atmosphere that support the restaurant company mission. For example, Menashe says that he first launched his restaurant, it was a highly stressful environment to work in. He now concentrates on generating a nice atmosphere since stress was taking over how I wanted to conduct things, he explains. That means that if an employee is agitated or negative, Menashe will tell them to calm down. This situation can relate with a responsibility in leadership. As a result, by adding a responsibility aspect to the concept of leadership that goes beyond simple ability, leaders will be required to take a stand of local societal or organizational issue. They must also be willing to take a position when rules and regulations are ineffective or non-existent, when unethical actions are involved. This requires speaking up.
Next is one of the critical and important element of successful restaurant is a successful marketing plan. So even big brands like KFC, Domino's have spent a lot of money on the marketing. Marketing is one essential key element of a successful restaurant business. Marketing have two types, have online marketing and offline marketing. Online marketing is considered to be more popular as well and effective to reach a customer. In this situation, it can be related and implemented with the problem solve skills. Problem solve skill is very important to make sure a restaurant successful. As a leader, your role is not to solve the problems, is to make sure the problem got solved. So, as we know, after COVID-19 happened, many dining rooms have to shut down. So, the only way to people to visit their restaurant, to visit their favorite restaurant is through the takeout or delivery. So, we as a restaurant owner must use social media. Social media is one of the cheapest and the most accessible way to connect and engage with the customer. So, we must take advantage of the power social media by promoting our food and brands, posting picture of our menu, creating a personal hashtag, sharing a recipe, cooking tutorials with the followers, and always getting in touch with the followers. So it can make your brand become popular.
Okay, next, guest experience. Excellent customer service is a natural trait of a successful restaurant business. Customer service constitutes the entire customer experience, right from the politeness and helpfulness of the staff to the service, the price of dishes, restaurant ambience, and how soon the food arrives. Effective customer engagement also play a vital role in improving the overall customer experience. For example, feedback from our customer. When customers are not satisfied, they will never return, but they might voice their opinion later on social media channel or review site. Remember, this will damage your restaurant reputation as well as business. So the leaders must use the great customer service to achieve a good experience from a guest.
Next is being creative. The company produces collect more supplier resources to access the industry informations and predict the price fluctuations. Besides that, one way to complement the menu is to capitalize on seasonal purchase and avoid items that may increase and pay attention to the new laws and other external issues out of the controls and estimate their high cost accordingly. Garden Food Service Contributors 2017. This is included in a consultative leadership is one style of the leadership that target team building and uses the skill of others to make plans and decisions making. The consultative leadership essentially involves a pupil having a trouble finding idea for specific solutions in the decision making process accordingly in the next editorials team 2021. For example, a company in a proactive in a rising packaged food cost in a restaurant should the Malaysia Movement Controls Order, which is the MCO phases for takeaway order because polystyrene and plastic food packaging costs are included in the price to be paid to the customer according SLAM 2021.
Output of the system, how far can it determine the success of company or organization? Firstly, when the owner understands the business, operations are an important element of the restaurant company and must be managed with the expertise and understanding. The owner should be able to compare food costs, labor expenses, profit margins, and gross margins. If the company is a first-time restaurant, conducted extensive study before opening the store, efficiently they avoid wasting time and energy, and are not distracted by frequent alternatives by having clear priorities and establishing what is actually vital to the success of the firm. Clear regulation and procedures enable them to instill a sense of accountability in their employees. For example, Mamasak, the owner started focus on one type of product until it got an overwhelming response. When frequent consumers are achieved and begin to believe in the products, the owner creates a diverse range of products. Mamasa also has a large number of agents and dropshippers that are the backbone of the company. It shows that the owner understand their business to run and have the goals to achieve for their company and organization.
Conclusion, we must keep in mind that leadership is critical in any company. It is possible for all the organization to be messed up without a leader. It is commonly held to be essential for effective organizational and societal functioning and success. Leadership is an essential component of human development. Families, schools, and workplace are all have leaders. Leaders must be courageous, but they must also be wise. They must be able to communicate effectively and sympathize with others.